So here we have a Ford Focus. It's been in here for its 28-point check to find how the water's been getting in it. We found the door membranes to be leaking, which is a common thing on these, as well as the bumper had to come off, and there was the vents behind the bumper, which is another common thing, were loose and the water gets in through them. So they've all been fixed, and at the moment we've got the drying machine drying the carpets. The reason we're filming this particular car is the gentleman's decided to make it like new again. What he's decided, he's made a conscious decision that he's spending money on it, and so he's thought, well, I might as well keep it for a few more years. So we're going to show you what we can also do. So if you've decided to keep your car, you may want to have it back like new again, and we're going to put a protective coating on this one as well, so it stays like new for the remaining years he keeps the car. Why not? You know, the engine's perfectly good. The modern cars do last a lot longer. You can get more miles from the engines. So if the bodywork and the rest of the car's in good condition, and that we've sorted out its Achilles heel, then why not keep it a bit longer? And you know, we'll make it, give them that feel-good factor from the problem. Wow, that really has come up like new again. Let's have a little look inside then, see what it all looks like.
Customers had a ceramic coating and it had a water leak as well, so we've obviously fixed the water leak, and just to show you it's all nice and new inside.
Wow. So basically the customer's made a decision to keep the car, and for that reason decided to have it like new again, so saved him buying a new one, I suppose. It's not a high mileage car, and of course, you know, it's done a little bit of depreciation in the first few years, so this car should hold its value over the next part of its life. It's got plenty of life left in it, so he's obviously gone to the trouble of investing in it, and he'll keep it a few more years, and this coating will keep it super glossy like this for years to come. In fact, 2 to 3 years. All the inside's been cleaned and dried, obviously because the carpets are wet, so we've turned a negative into a positive. You could actually potentially get your old car with water in that smells that you don't like and turn it into the car that you fancied when you bought it. Something into what you do like. This is a super gloss finish, so arguably this will be considerably shinier than it was when it was brand new, as you can see. Amazing.